Jeffro back again. Welcome to the Monkey Cave. So this is the series where I'm telling you about the tools I use to build these off-road trucks. So this right here is my Ameribraid belt sander. This is without a doubt the most used tool in my shop. So knife makers have been using belt sanders like this for decades, right? And some of the competitors to this machine right here sell for in excess of $3,000, which is just a little bit out of my price range. So this company, Ameribraid, they saw an opening in the market and they came to fill that opening, right? They're a Southern California-based company. They actually got their start with some friends of mine. And this is the latest modular setup that they have. Now, they sell a different stand, okay? I just made my own stand. I mounted a bucket of water on it, so on and so forth. Their modular stand allows you to flip this machine over into a different plane and use it in a different configuration. It's pretty awesome, as a matter of fact. They also have motors that will allow you to change the speed of the belt, so on and so forth. I went for the least expensive option I could go for, and this thing still rocks. So the way that I have mine configured, I just keep my table out of the way. I have a soft 2-inch rubber wheel on the end right here. So I can use this for most of my shaping, things like that. Then, of course, you have the flat platen right here. So when you want to create a perfectly flat edge, so on and so forth. Then just above that, I have the soft area. So I can push into this with a material. I can just kind of lightly abrade, so on and so forth. So right here, I've got a tab. I'm just going to show you real quick the quality. The quality that you're able to achieve is almost unmatched, right? I mean, it's just nice. Now, say I have this edge right here. I want to clean it up. So, the Ameribraid system, check it out. Belt changes are pretty simple. You just pull this down. You can pull this blade off. And here, have 3M Scotch-Brite belt. I picked these up at Jag 10 Tools. He happens to carry all kinds of consumables for this tool as well. Most of your abrasives, so on and so forth. Click it on real quick to track, right? Now, 3M Scotch-Brite. Basically a surface conditioning belt. Pretty rad, right?